I bet you didn't know these things about Union Budget of India. Yes, the Economic Survey of 2025-26 is now out. But beyond headlines, do you know what's the real story of India's economy? The world economy is really unstable. Wars, geopolitical tensions, trade barriers, and tech restrictions. Yet India is projected to grow at 6.8 to 7.2%. That's the strength, but also the pressure to sustain the reforms. Inflation is at its lowest in the history of CPI, mainly because food prices crashed. But core inflation remains sticky due to gold prices and the services. So the relief is real, but it's very fragile. Survey says growth comes from three engines: capital investment, formal jobs, and digital productivity. Government capex is now near 4% of GDP, pulling private investment with it. Service sector creates over half of new formal jobs, but manufacturing shares is still under pressure from global cost competition. India grows, but job quality remains a key test. Trade deficit is offset by services exports and remittances. Forex reserves above $700 billion, giving India a safety shield. Survey makes a bold push for nuclear and energy sector. So the message is clear. Renewables alone cannot carry India's industrial future. But it is very stable, resilient, and reform driven. But growth now depends on jobs, productivity, and executions. So tomorrow on February 1, Sunday, our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is going to present the Union Budget. If you want more updates on the Union Budget that's coming tomorrow, please follow Fact Files India. And if there are any more information available, I'll update it on my channel. And don't forget to comment down your views on what do you expect out of the new Union Budget.